Unlock and raise the lower sash 3 to 6 inches. Tilt the sash by depressing the jam liner and pulling the top of the sash toward you. Tilt sash to the interior to a horizontal position. The exterior of the lower sash can now be cleaned. The lower sash does not need to be removed to tilt the upper sash in for cleaning, but it is recommended to place a cloth barrier between the sash and the window trim to protect it when the lower sash is tilted completely down. Lower the upper sash so the top of the upper sash may be accessed. Depress the jam liner on each side of the sash and pull the top of the sash toward the interior. It may be necessary to pull the sash to the interior in steps to completely release it from the jam liner. The exterior of the upper sash may now be cleaned. Tilt the upper sash back into the upright position, making sure the sash edges are completely seated back into the flexible jam liner. Push the sash back up into the closed position. Tilt the lower sash back upright, making sure the sash edges are completely seated back into the flexible jam liner. Push the sash back down into the closed position. Lock the window.